Senator Pia Cayetano blasts NBI Director Melvin Matibag, says move to probe the new Clark City sports facilities contemptible. So sabi dito, in a press conference after the 6th day of BP Sara's impeachment trial, House Private Prosecutor Lorna Capunan called on the senator judges to practice and apply within themselves the same balance and impartiality.
Attorney, our spokesman, Attorney Jay is here, and I'd just like to emphasize and for you to think about statement of one of the senator judges who said, don't say it here. Kung meron kayong gustong sabihin, yung mga opinion nyo, yung mga conclusion.
Tano?
I want to, I mean, a task force na conclusion of our financial investment unit, financial
nagbabagang mga balita at pagtalakay sa mga isyu ng lipunan. Bulsa, opinyon, banat at paglalantad sa katotohanan. Bulsa, what you see is what you get. You decide.
Kung masasabi ka mo. So ngayon, tulad ng dati, pag-usapan natin yung mga mainit na balita dito sa ating paligid. Senator Pia Cayetano blasts NBI Director Melvin Matibag, says move to probe the new Clark City sports facilities contemptible. Taranta sila po, panic mode. Wala man pinapangalanan. Ang reading niya rito, gusto silang i-intimidate. Huwag kayong magpa-intimidate. Gusto silang takutin para hindi na magtanong. Yung mga tanong nga po ninyo, bias. Kaya nag-react mga kababayan dito sa press conference as a balance in impartiality. Sabi dito sa report ng GMA News. Should apply also to senator judges. Nag-react si Capunan. Kasi nagsalita si presiding officer, Chis Escudero, na dapatan niya may balance at impartiality. Kung impartiality ang pinag-uusapan dito, ang dapat na mag-observe ng impartiality, yung judge, kaya ito dapat na mga salitang ganyan, sabihin dapat ito ni Chis Escudero sa kanyang mga kasama. Kaya liman niya mapagsabihan yung mga kasama niya kasi ka-level niya yon, mga senator judge, at dati niyang mga kaalyado. Kaya lang, biglang bumaliktad na si Chis Escudero, alam na ninyo kung bakit. Naiipit din siya. Gusto din siguro iligtas yung kanyang sarili. Kaya gumaganon-ganon si Chis. Pero tuloy pa rin ang investigasyon sa kanyang problema. So sabi dito, in a press conference after the 6th day of BP Sara's impeachment trial, House Private Prosecutor Lorna Capunan called on the senator judges to practice and apply within themselves the same balance and impartiality standard they are asking from the prosecution and defense teams. Ito yung sinasabi ni Chis Escudero, dapat daw mag-observe ng balance in impartiality. Yung defense at saka kwampo, defense tapos prosecution, hindi man pwede silang maging balance and impartial. Laging partial sila. Bakit? They have to prove the guilt ni Sara Duterte. Sila yung prosecution, accuser. The same manner, we can understand the defense kung pilit na pinipilipit yung mga kwento. Kasi they have to defend. Doon sila binabayaran ni Sara. Pilipitin ang katotohanan kasi yung ebidensya ay mula mismo sa bibig. Kaya kung ano-anong kahulugan, yung pagbabanta ginawang freedom of expression, that is normal for the defense. Na dapat sila partial towards their client. Defense counsel nga, alangan man. Defense counsel ka, pagkatapos ang sinasabi mo ay tulad ng sinasabi ng prosecution. Dinidiin mo niyan yung. Pero iyon ang consequence nga eh. Sa i-cross-examine nila, nagbabackfire. Lalo na didiin si Sara. Kasi napakahirap po na baliktarin ang katotohanan. Kasi all of us witness. Yung pagbabanta ni Sara, tayo yung testigo, napanood natin. Kaya sabi ko nga po mga kababayan, any attempt to change the narrative will not do. Walang epekto yon. 1 year na natin paulit-ulit napapanood sa YouTube na talagang nagbanta si Sara. Kahit anong tawag mo pa niyan, talagang nagbanta si Sara at guilty. Ang ebidensya, bibig niya. Parang si Digong, kill, kill, kill. Parang si Bato de la Rosa, kill, kill, kill din. At ang mga ebidensya, recorded public statements, in admission mismo sa Quadcom. Walang ligtas kasi bibig mo mismo yung ebidensya. Sabi ko nga, kung ito was uttered in private, or kung ilalan yung witness, halimbawa, nasa Kalilang, pinagbantaan yung kapitbahay at may witness na sa neighborhood na isa-dalawa, pwedeng baguhin yung narrative in public. Pero ito, public yung pagbabanta. So any attempt to change the narrative ng pagbabanta, hindi katanggap-tanggap kasi nakita natin lahat.
Our spokesman, Attorney Jay is here, and I'd just like to emphasize and for you to think about statement of one of the senator judges who said, "Don't say it here. Kung meron kayong gustong sabihin, yung mga opinion nyo, yung mga conclusions nyo, yung mga manifestations nyo, don't say it in the impeachment court. Say it outside. Say it through your spokesperson. Say it." My personal view here, and what I say, please do not blame management, please do not blame the public prosecutors, but I would like to say that when we talk about balance, and when we talk about impartiality, I guess that same standard should apply not only to the prosecutors, not only to the defense, but to the senator judges. This is not to say that we're saying that they are biased. We are saying that we have to have a balance also, because when the senator
Naglo-loading.
judges make a manifestation, wala po kaming karapatan mag-object. Until, if the other side, for instance, if the other side, the defense, the prosecutors makes an objection or makes a statement, pwede namin sabihin misleading, Your Honors. Pwede namin sabihin vague, pwede namin sabihin confusing, pwede namin sabihin objection, etc. No? Sadly, we cannot say the same. We do not have the same right to say that when it is the senator judges who make their own manifestations, who make their own opinions, who make their own conclusions of law and of fact as well. So, speaking for myself, if there is a call for balance, we're throwing back that call as well. Because I think hindi tama yung we will keep quiet in court and then sa
Correct.
sa labas na lang kami magsasalita.
Correct.
No, it is the right to information that we are here talking about. And as Chairman has said, this is a constitutional process.
Correct.
This is not the rules of court, but technical rules are applicable. And hindi naman tama na it is outside court that we make manifestations through our spokesperson. Our very able Attorney Jay, I think, will have something to say about that.
Very quickly, as pointed out by Chair David, number one primary reason why there was a need for us to explain that people deserve it. Diba? They have to know, they have
Correct.
to hear from us why we made this decision. But secondly, this is actually out of respect to the impeachment court itself. We have to remember, these witnesses were listed in our pre-trial brief. So there's already expectation on the part of the impeachment court that we will be presenting them. So out of respect, of course, we can assume they already started to study and prepare for the possible testimonies of these witnesses. So it's also important, paliwanag namin mabuti sa kanila why we're now deciding not to present them anymore.
Correct.
To make it clear that this decision was not reached haphazardly or arbitrarily, but there's a good reason for it. So,
Kompleto na eh. Na-prove na guilty si Sara. Two witnesses pa lang. Lalo na kung si Matibag na magsalita.
Sa palagay
Tuesday.
po, paano po kaya makaka-apekto yung naging issue kay NBI Director Matibag kanina? Kasi diba, may mga issues po na ni-raise si Senator Judge Alan Peter Cayetano and of course si Senator Pia, may mga nasabi din po sa kanyang pagharap as a witness sa darating pong Tuesday. Thank you po.
But I wish to believe that the issue raised earlier by the senator judges should be different from the subject matter of his testimony. No? I hope that they will be able to distinguish between the issue raised earlier and the fact of Attorney Melvin Matibag testifying on Tuesday. No? These are two different concerns.
Correct.
Director Matibag will be testifying on the allegations of threat against the respondent, while question that was raised kanina is with respect to his pronouncement on the upcoming investigation on some infrastructure program concerning SEA Games, no?
So ang dapat, hindi yun na magiging topic sa impeachment trial. Kaya nga nagtaka ako, bakit tinayaan na i-replay yun, yung interview? That's out of topic. Ang topic dito mga kababayan, yung pananakot, pagbabanta ni Sara. Hindi yung investigasyon. Naitanong lang naman yon, investigasyon ng NBI director sa SEA Games. Anomalies. Kasama ba yun sa agenda, sa impeachment? Hindi. Kaya tama itong sinasabi mga kababayan ni Jinky. They are two different things. Kung si Matibag mag-appear sa Tuesday, mag-appear man talaga po sa Tuesday, dapat hindi yun ang topic. Pag isiningit yun ni Pia Cayetano at saka ni Alan Peter Cayetano, dapat yung presiding officer i-out of order itong magkapatid na defense. Senator Judge pala. Dapat i-out of order kasi hindi man yun ang topic. Ba't pag-uusapan yon? Hindi ko nga maintindihan bakit inalaw ng presiding officer at saka ni Win Gatchalian as Senate President, inalaw na i-present yon. Hindi man sama sa ebidensya, in-accommodate yung interview. Bakit? Anong relevance nun? That is irrelevant. Anong relevance nun sa pagbabanta ni Sara? Ibang issue yon. Madaling sabi. Pero siguro, for consideration, pinagbigyan. Plinay doon, nagla nga ako. Sabi ko, bakit pinasok yon? Anong rason? Tapos, ang sinasabi ni Pia Cayetano, na yung pa-interview, yung interview ni may motibo na intimidate sila. So, ang question natin kay Pia Cayetano, bakit ma-intimidate ba kayo? Sabi ni, hindi man. O di, ano naman pala, hindi kayo natatakot? O bakit naging topic ninyo kahapon? At nagpapanik kayo? Man pala kayo takot? Iba yung reaksyon ninyo sa sinasabi ninyo. Ang hindi natatakot, dapat ini-ignore lang ang issue. You just have to ignore it. That should not be your topic in the impeachment trial. Kasi ang topic po, yung Article 4, yung pagbabanta ni Sara, walang relasyon yung SEA Games. Yung Caldero, walang relasyon sa pagbabanta ni Sara sa ating Pangulo kay Martin at saka kay Lisa Marcos. Ito yung reaction po, strong reaction po ni Alan Peter Cayetano. Ito na lang.
Na meron talagang kailangan iistigahan because they're Philippine SEA Games organization.
Si Matibag muna.
The possession of documents already na meron talagang kailangan iistigahan because there are a huge amount of money na nilito dito. You recall there was no bidding na ginawa rito. Tapos unliquidated. So marami na
Grabe yung reaction nito ni Cayetano.
Ayun, yung the task force na composed of our financial investment unit, saka financial investigation unit, saka ang aming special action unit to investigate it. We will coordinate with the SEC, the COA, and also will seek help of the PCPA para magkaroon ng dito. As we speak now, wala kami naman tayo sasabihin na na-identify but there are already personalities na nakikita natin sa mga sa initial na pumasok sa atin.
Sir, just for the record, bakit po may renewed interest po dito sa pag-investiga sa SEA Games? Although ano na siya, field na siya ng controversies before, and the head of FISCO was Alan Peter Cayetano.
Well, I'm aware of that. He's the chairman of FISCO, So hindi naman to renewed interest. It so happened na may mga lumabas ngayon ng dokumento which will lead us to investigate.
Quite exhaustive yung sinabi ni NBI Director about the Southeast Asian Games. So if the intention was to have a chilling effect, we already have that chilling effect.
Malaki daw kaso to. Naimbestigahan na niya. Alam niya nang malaki kaso.
Pia.
Ano na naman? And if hindi pa nanakot yun, then I don't know what is. Kung hindi pa ninindak yun, then...
So, sa feeling nila, ang response nila, ito'y pananakot. So, ang tanong natin, bakit kayo natatakot? Huwag kayong matakot. Kung wala kayo tinatagong mali, sinisindak, huwag kang pasindak. Kasi pag wala kang kasalanan, dapat chill ka lang, dapat relax ka. Wala ka man sala eh. Inuubos daw sila, mauubos talaga kayo at dapat kayong ubusin. Alangan man magtira. Wala dapat. Linisin lahat. Walang ititira. Papanagutin ang lahat na nagkasala. Di dapat tayo maging selective, di ba? Sabi ninyo. Selective justice. O, di ito na, hindi selective justice ito. Obos kung obos. Jingo scam, oppose, bid to exclude ex-DPWH Chief Bunuan from graft case. Yan ang ating Pangulo po. Walang pinipili. Lahat ng nagkamali, kailangang managot sa batas. Ito si Marcoleta po. UP doctor say Marcoleta fit to be brought to court. Ayun. Senator Marcoleta fit to travel at ipinakulong na ng Sandigan Bayan sa totoong selda sa Quezon City Jail. Yan o. Formal na pong nilipat, sabi ni Atty. G, sa ordinaryong selda si Senator Marcoleta. Dahil formal na pong inilipat sa Quezon City Jail Male Dormitory in Payatas kaninang umaga. Bungsod ito po ng Kautusanan Sandigan Bayan 3rd Division. So, at ang formal na deklarasyon ito na fit to travel na raw ang nasabing senador ng bansang ito. Kasi pagkukulong mga kababayan, nakakasuhan. Bagay naman sa kanya, fit naman po yung damit. Ito yung paglipat sa kanya. Bagay naman sa kanya yung damit na kulay orange. Di ba? Yellow. Bagay po si Mike Defensor. Wala pang presidente, yung weak leader lang ang nakagawa niyan. Na daming mga senador. Sunod-sunod mga kababayan at iniisa-isa daw. Hindi po, magpasalamat na kayo kasi iniisa-isa lang kayo. Dapat sabay nga eh. Pero dahil kailangan na may due process tayo, kaya isa-isa lang. One at a time. Naintindihan na ninyo? One at a time. Si Robin, yung pagpatakas niya kay Bato, inimbestigahan na din yon. That is obstruction of justice sa wheelchair. Pag nasa rally, walang wheelchair. Rally ng INC. Pag nakukulong, biglang nagkaka-wheelchair, sabi ng Voice of Millennials. Ang galing ng mga doktor sa PGH, biruon mo yon, naka-wheelchair papunta doon si Marcoleta na para bang may malubhang sakit, pero after ng check-up, nakapaglakad na para bang hindi nagkasakit. Anyway, mga kababayan, yun na lang po. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Ako po si Dante Maravillas. Bukas naman. Bye-bye po. God bless.
Swimming and lifting cream, pinapahid po sa mga pulses in affected area. Mainam po sa paninigas ng mga kaso-kasuan. Ito naman po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application. Anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Neng siya red mixed fruit drink. Hindi mo po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya mga kababayan sa goji berry. Yung goji berry may anti-cancer properties. O ngayon, yung mga inquiries ninyo, dumiritso na lang kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Ayos pa? Ayos na ayos niya, Mr. Maravilla. Sa mga nagana po ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. May Grab car rental din po kami. But anyway, ito po pala yung aming bagong product na binibenta online. I am worldwide amazing pure organic barley powdered drink mix from Australia. Negosyo to ng aking anak na architect entrepreneur Riz Maravillas. Ayan po. Kontakin na lang po ninyo siya, Riz Maravillas on Facebook. Ang mga health benefits niya, boost immunity, improves digestion, enhance energy levels, packed with antioxidants, prevent cancer. Ito naman po yung bago naming product na binibenta online. Eye Glow Serum, whitening po siya. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect before and now. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa kanyang Facebook account, Riz Maravillas.